Ever felt too lazy to wear socks and shoes just for a half-hour walk? Yeah, me too. That's why I switched to clogs, and trust me, this small change made my daily walks way easier. Now, these aren't Crocs, they are Dr. Extra Soft Clogs, a budget-friendly replica I grabbed for around Rs 700. And guess what? This is already my second pair. What I love right away is the perfect size, good fit, stylish design, waterproof, super easy to clean, honestly just like Crocs, except for one thing, the material. Dr. Extra Soft uses a really soft material. Comfortable? Absolutely. Durable? Not so much. After about 10 months, the bottom wore out right where I put the most pressure, and yep, a hole formed. Tiny stones started sneaking in, and that's when I knew it was time to upgrade. So I went hunting on Amazon and found these Dr. Extra Soft dual color sports clogs, priced around 1000. Let's unbox them together. Okay, the box looks a little beat up from shipping, but inside, wow. I picked this coffee brown dual tone, darker at the base and lighter on top. Honestly, the design reminds me of a monster truck. Thick sole, chunky look, feels heavy duty. Compared to my old pair, these have extra sole thickness, so hopefully they will last longer. Better grip with horizontal lines should help on wet surfaces. A sturdier back strap that feels much stronger. Slightly softer touch, though the insole grip isn't as pronounced as Crocs. Now, I ordered my usual size 8, but here's the catch, it feels a bit tight. Walking around indoors, it does loosen slightly, but if you're ordering, I would recommend going one size bigger. After a couple of days wearing them for my park walks, they feel great. Grip is solid, design is stylish. The only downside, that size issue. And unfortunately, I missed the 10-day return window, so I'll have to just live with it. So if you're considering these Dr. Extra Soft clogs, go for one size larger than your usual. Trust me, your feet will thank you. And that's it. Slip them on, flip the strap, and you're ready for your daily walk. No excuses now. Happy walking, friends.